Story 8. One of the philosophers forbade his son to eat much because repletion keeps people ailing. The boy replied, "O father, it is hunger that kills. Hadst thou not heard of the maxim of the ingenious, that it is better to die satiated than to bear hunger?" He rejoined, "Be moderate, eat and drink, but not to excess. Eat not so much that it comes up to thy mouth, nor so little that from weakness thy soul comes up." Now, eventually you learn to eat in a way that you don't, wait till you're full. Now, you can kind of do that with water sometimes, but other than that, you don't want to. But even with water, you don't want to. You don't want to just fill yourself up as much as you can. But although maintenance of life depends upon food, victuals bring on disease when eaten to excess. If thou eatest rose confectionery without appetite, it injures thee. But eating dry bread after a long fast is like rose preserve. Now, I like this primrose oil that I got for sale, and I grow, I tend primroses, and as one may have seen in some of my displays, I'll bring out piles of primroses, but